WhatsApp read receipts let people know when you have seen their messages. If you prefer more privacy, you can turn this off so others can't see when you read their messages. So here's how you can disable read receipts on WhatsApp. So go ahead and open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Log into your specific account. Then after, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. After this, tap on settings that you will find between read all and switch accounts option. Now once you're over here, tap on privacy, that is between account and avatar. You will see the option of read receipts under the section of who can see my personal info just below status option. Go ahead and toggle this switch off. Keep in mind that turning off read receipts only applies to individual chats. Group chats will still show when you have read messages. And after you disable read receipts, people won't see the blue check marks when you read their messages, giving you more privacy. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.